setting right now. See, this is tan skin versus green. We're here at the La Fortuna waterfall. It's 500 steps to get all the way down, and it's the most epic, the most beautiful waterfall. It just comes from so far away, and it is so powerful. We've been here before, and we're gonna show you some of that real-time footage, as well as the hike down and back up.
It's like jumping into the lake at night. Is my love too much? Cause I feel like it's eating me alive. Do you feel the same? Caught up in the way we are made of the same pieces. Color in the gray, all the light you gave is pouring out of me, yeah. Jump into the deep end, give you all my weekends, taking all the back roads. We can make the time slow, betting on a feeling we keep on reliving as the moon is rising.
At 70 meters tall, the waterfall starts to open up when you're halfway through your walk down, and they've done a lot of work, it seems, since we've been here last. It's much easier, but it's still like your legs get a little wobbly because there's so many stairs. But I'll tell you how I am on the way up.
And that's the waterfall, guys. Thanks for coming. We didn't want a repeat of Shoshone Falls this time.
No repeats. We made sure it was rainy season. But the stairs on the way down, so easy. Oh my gosh. It took us twice or 3 times as long. Because it was like mud and bricks and random twigs we were walking over. The whole thing was paved. It was so nice.
So nice.
Wow. It is Russian today. It's so cool to see. We're on the same platform that I crashed my drone last time. Same exact platform. And
Same tree is right there.
same tree. Oh, there it is. There's the tree. We'll show you this right now.
Saving the footage.
Saved my drone. That was funny. And the drone.
And the drone.
Yeah. So beautiful though. It's 70 meters tall, and it just kind of curves over the top of the mountain, and wow, is it powerful. I mean, so much power. We're gonna look up some stats and put them right here on how fast it's going and how much water is flowing. It's a beautiful sight.
Incredible. Last time we swam up there, and as you got close, the water would push you back, but right now it's just like impossible to even think of going in the water.
Super cold too. Yeah, but it is like magical jungle down here. Totally different environment. Really immersive. The whole thing. Just 500 steps and how it's a completely different world. You feel like you're in the middle of a beautiful, wonderful rainforest. Now we're gonna cut to the amazing B-roll.
Heart rush, head flush. It's like jumping into the lake at night. Is my love too much? Cause I feel like it's eating me alive. Do you feel the same? Caught up in the way we are made of the same pieces. Color in the gray, all the light you gave is pouring out of me, yeah. Jump into the deep end, give you all my weekends, taking all the back roads. We can make the time slow, betting on a feeling we keep on reliving as the moon is rising. I will keep on finding.
All right, babe, what do you love about waterfalls?
I love the energy and the power and the freshness, the vibrancy of it. It's really special.
And what's different about this one?
What's different about this one is that all of this is magnetic. So all of the rock is filled with the ability to magnetize things and steal your drunk.
And what does this one remind you of?
Metaphorically?
No, you said it reminded you of another waterfall.
It reminds me of a waterfall in Bali that we visited. It's really huge and powerful.
Is this worth it?
Is it worth it?
Is this a bucket list?
Yeah. Yeah, if you're coming to Costa Rica, you should definitely come here because it's like insane. It's easy to get to. It's beautiful and it's a really unique experience going down into the earth to see the waterfall and the walls come in all around you and you feel consumed by like this whole experience.
No Rainbow Mountain, but 500 stairs is 500 stairs. 500 stairs uphill in the humidity is 500 stairs uphill in the humidity. So they put in little encouragements along the way because they don't want you to stop. They're like, you only have 200 more steps to reach your goal. So they make it personal.
You got this. Just to do a little extra kick, you get a full workout. So we're now in the orchid garden, and as you can see, there's not really any in bloom right now. But what you can see here is a picture of the orchid they plant right here in the tree so that it can grow. So there's various different kinds. There's like hundreds of them, but unfortunately they're not in bloom right now. We can imagine them. Just squint your eyes and it looks like that's like part of, like it's growing off the tree. See, it's got a little stem.
Even the ones above it. Yeah. Alright, you may be saying, where are they? Or, what an epic hat that is. Thank you. We're at Don Rufino, and we're having an epic dinner. We walked in, it's full tonight, which is really fun. I ordered a fried prosciutto meatball entree, and I got squash risotto, so I can't wait to share that with you.
Appetizer.
Really yummy bread. That's nice bread. This is probably one of the nicer restaurants here. Definitely. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Really? It's like a chicken. Definitely chicken. Chicken shrimp. I didn't get the chicken part. I don't read Spanish, I guess, very well. But we got a nice, wonderful risotto. It's a butternut squash risotto. Grilled chicken. Maybe it's a special. Maybe they just threw it in there because I asked for the chicken on the other one. Who knows? I like risotto. Very hot. So nice. Lovely.
Shrimp too.
I love the rice that goes with risotto. It's a very particular rice. Good risottos take 45 minutes. It's a labor of love, honestly. Because you gotta stir them and 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 stir them. Can't let it sit. But when you're making a risotto, the stock is tend to be like, it's all about the stock, but it's not. It's about the rice. You can use a traditional stock. You don't even have to use stock. It's optional. Lovely. Very nice. very hot though. I like it. I like it caliente. I like my lattes. And my woman. Fantastic day. We finished it off with the waterfall. We did that waterfall in world record time. It's incredible. 46 minutes, and we enjoyed every minute of it. We didn't have to spend like hours there because we did last time. So we just reconnected with all of that we experienced, and we're like, ah. And we mainly did it for you, so you could see it. I'm completely stuffed. The risotto is fantastic. Surprise chicken on there, and I've got my new favorite hat, which is awesome. And I got myself a whole lot more of my mosquito repellent because they like me. So you never know. You got to be prepared. Mosquitoes kill more people than any other animal or insect, hands down. Or what would they say? Beaks down for mosquitoes. So good night. That is impressive.